more stable and a little safer probably. It's about like a 12 gauge. You know, it's more of a shove than anything.
There's a little packet in there.
There's two for you.
What do you shoot at out there? You shoot it?
I was shooting at a rock up there, kind of by that furthest swirl. The left of it is a rock, but if you want to shoot at something closer, you could do that. You know, first just get yourself comfortable and
Very nice.
make sure you can see the target good, then I'll rack around in there. You can hold on here if you want. Some people hold on that left hand back here, just wherever you want.
Like to shoot?
You see something you want to shoot?
Yeah, it's a big rock right here.
Okay, let me rack one in there. Ready? What?
You have to shoot right away after you do it?
No, not at all. Just see, it's on fire, so keep your hand off the trigger right now.
Do it right here.
Okay, let's go for it. You got 2 shots.
Will it go bright, like boom boom, or?
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh. Oh.
Hey.
You like that?
Yeah.
That's awesome.